Hi, I am Rahul and today we are going to discuss chapter 2 poem Wind. We are going to discuss this stanza wise. I have uploaded chapters 1 and part 1, part 2 of chapter 2 and here it is the poem of chapter 2. So guys, we'll discuss this poem Wind stanza wise. So first stanza is that wind comes softly. Don't break the shutters of the windows. Don't scatter the papers. Don't throw down the books on the shelf. There, look what you did. You threw them all down. You tore the pages of the books. You brought rain again. You are very clever at poking fun at weaklings. This is first stanza. Here I want to state you that poking fun means making fun of something, and weaklings means a person who is weak. The poet says wind, which is natural phenomenon, you all know that. He tells to wind that wind, you come softly. Don't break the shutter of the window. Because of wind, you know that the shutter of the window that is start moving. And don't scatter the paper. Papers are there, so you are also scattering the papers. Don't throw down the books on the shelf. There are books on the shelf, so you are scattering and you are throwing them down also. There, look what you did and threw them all down. He is telling that you threw all them down and you tore the pages of the books also. So that poet is complaining there to the wind that the way his things are there and the wind, it does all those things there. We can say here in the second stanza after that I want to talk. Frail crumbling houses, crumbling doors, crumbling rafters. Yeah. Crumbling rafters, crumbling roof, crumbling bodies, crumbling lives, crumbling hearts. Here the word crumbling means that is repeated many times, and that crumbling means what? That everything crumbles in the face of a strong wind. Weak, kamjor. Or the poet is saying here that when wind is very powerful, then it is very strong. It leads to breakage of everything. Yes, हर चीज तोड़ देता है. और houses which are weak, वो भी गिर जाते हैं because of wind. Doors which are weak, वो भी गिर जाते हैं. और कोई भी चीज जो कि कमजोर होती है, anything that can be destroyed by the wind. तो wind के पास वो power है, wind के पास वो potential है, and due to wind all those weak things can be destroyed. So here it was there, the wind god winnows and crushes them all. यहाँ पे wind god, there it is told that winnows means what? To broke grain free of chaff, separate grain from husk by blowing on it. So here he won't do what you tell him. So come, let's build strong homes. Let's join the doors firmly. Practice to form the body. Make the heart steadfast, and do this, and the wind will be friends with us. So here the poet is telling that if you tell anything to wind, if you do any command to wind, wind cannot understand it. It will do whatever he wants. So it is our duty, it is our now only thing what we can do. So we can make our everything strong. Build strong homes, join the door strongly, practice to form the body. Make your body strong, make your heart strong, everything. If everything is strong, the wind cannot do anything. Okay? So the poet is telling like this here, and almost we are in the last stanza of the poem. So wind blows out weak fires, and he makes a strong fire roars and flourish. His friendship it goes, we praise him every day. So if we make everything strong, if we do everything strongly, then the wind will be friend with us. and his friendship is good, we praise him every day. So the poet, he explains that all those weak things which are there in the world, they are destroyed by the wind. So let's come and make the things strong, make your body strong, make your house strong. घर को मजबूत बनाना है, अपने दरवाजे को अच्छे से स्ट्रांगली लगाना है, और वो सारी चीज़ें जो हम करते हैं सबको क्या करना है, मजबूती के साथ करना है. और उसके बाद फिर देखेंगे जो विंड है वो हमारे लिए क्या होगा. इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू बी द एनिमी, इट्स गोइंग टू बी द फ्रेंड ऑफ अस. जैसे कि द विंड ब्लोज आउट वीक फायर. विंड क्या करता है, जो वीक फायर होता है, जो कमज़ोर आग होती है, उसको क्या करता है, बुझा देता है. और जो फायर स्ट्रॉन्ग फायर होता है उसको और भी क्या करता है, रोज फ्लरिश होता है. तो all these things are there in this chapter wind. And guys, some literary things are used here, like as repetition, alliteration, symbolism, and I will discuss that later. And two question I want to discuss here, that what are the things that wind does in the first stanza. So when the wind blows violently, it destroys everything, and it breaks the shutter of windows, it scatters the paper, throws the book down from the shelf, and also tear the pages and brings along a lot of rain. Another question I want to discuss, what should we do to make friends with the wind. So we must make ourselves strong to face the violent wind. When we will be strong, the wind will not harm us. Instead, it will become a friend and help us to grow and flourish. Another question I want to discuss, what does the poet say the wind god winnows? So the wind god winnows means that nature shifts the weak things from the strong ones, and everything that is weak is tossed by the powerful wind and gets destroyed. Just like the winnower separates the grains of wheat from the chaff, similarly, जैसे कि हम लोग नहीं हवा ड्यू टू विंड वी कैन डू व्हाट, वी कैन सेपरेट द व्हीट एंड chaff. वैसे ही विंड गॉड सेपरेट्स द वीक फ्रॉम द स्ट्रॉन्ग. So thank you. If you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it. If you have any problem, any comment, put that in the comment box. Thank you.